In this video, we will see how we can access the Google Classroom. So before going to this topic Google Classroom, let me differentiate what is the difference between this Google Classroom and Google Meet. Most of us have used this Google Meet. In this Google Meet, we can directly communicate with our students. Means we can do video chatting or we can do video meetings with our students. Whereas in this Google Classroom, we cannot directly contact with our students, but this Google Classroom is only to create or is only to manage the classes. For example, if you want to post an assignment to the students with a due date, so it is automatically added to the class calendar for your students. So this Google Classroom is only to organize, to distribute and to collect the assignments or course material from the student. Okay, so what do you mean by Google Classroom? Google Classroom is a free web service for school that aims to simplify creating, distributing and grading assignments. The primary purpose of Google Classroom is to streamline the process of sharing files between teachers and students. Means we can share our file to the students, and after completing their work, the students can also share their assignments to the teachers. So only this is for managing the assignments. Classroom saves time and paper and make it easy to create classes, distribute assignments, communicate and stay organized. Students can be invited to join a class through a private code or automatically imported from a school domain. So how to invite a student, that I will explain you later on. Teachers can create, distribute and mark assignment all with the Google ecosystem. Each class creates a separate folder in the respective user drive where the students can submit work to be graded by a teacher. So whatever work the students do, that are saved on the user's drive, and teachers can collect that assignments from that drive and they can grade it. Assignments and due dates are added to the Google Calendar. Each assignments can belong to a category or topic. Google Classroom. So to access this classroom, you have to use your Google account for login, and you have to use Gmail account only. You also may install the Google Classroom app on either Android or iOS and iPad OS devices. So this Google Classroom can be used on this laptop or PC, or you can use on this Android phone also. Now to use on this PC and laptop, you don't need to install this one, Google Classroom. No need to install this Google Classroom. But if you want to use this Google Classroom on your phone, on your smartphone, then this app is to be downloaded from the Google Play Store. So now let us see how we can create the class. Before that, how to get in the Google Classroom. So first of all, you have to click on this Google Chrome. You have to click on this Google Chrome. Then you can directly type www.gmail.com. Then you can sign it with your proper email ID. So once you are signed in with your account ID, you will get this page, and at the right corner of this page, you will get these square dots. So this is your Google app. It contains different Google apps. So you have to click on this Google app, and By scrolling down, you can see there is a Google Classroom. So click on this Google Classroom. Click on this continue. Now you can create your class with your class name and section. So to create this class, you can click on this plus symbol. This is to create a class. So you have to click on this one, and if you are a student, then you will just click on this join class. But if you are a teacher and you are going to create your class, you have to click on this create class. So you can click on this agreement and continue. So now it will ask you to write the class name. Suppose you are teaching to 8th. Now you are teaching in section A. So write section A and the subject that you are teaching. So computer science I'm writing. And if some room number is allotted to you, then you can write over here. Otherwise, click on this create button. So once you are done with this step, your class will be created. And you can see below this class section, you are having this class code. So this class code is used to invite the students. So you can simply click on this icon. So this will copy the code, copy invite link. Just you have to click on this link and then click on the student name, and you have to paste the code that you have copied and you can send it. So in this way, you have invited your link to the students. So in this way, you will create a class and you will send the link to your students. Now we will see how we can assign the classwork to the students. So click on this classwork and then you can create assignments and questions. You can use topics to organize classwork into modules or units. So we can assign work to our class, and to do that you have to click on this create button. Now what type of assignment you want to create? So you have, suppose I am going to create this assignment. Now you can write the title of the assignment. So this is suppose homework. Instruction, you can write refer the attached document. So whatever document I am going to attach, that I have to give instruction to the students. Now you can add on this button and you can attach the file. So from wherever you want to attach the file, you have to click that option. So click on the file and you can upload the file. I am attaching the file. So I am attaching the file. In this way you can attach the file. After creating, you will see the assignment that you have assigned to the student. So you can click on this homework and you can see computer practice paper. So if you want to change, if you want to do editing in this file, you can click on this edit assignment and you can change. Now we will see how the students will access the Google Classroom and how they can upload the assignment that teacher has given and how they can submit that assignment. So now let us log in through the student ID. So now you will click on this Google app, and again you will click on this Google Classroom. Now you have login as a student, so you will click on this plus symbol and you have to click on this join class, and you have to type the code that your teacher has set. So copy this code and you have to paste that code and click on this join. So now you can see the assignment that the teacher has given. Now if you want to see this assignment, click on this and that assignment you can view it. So you can download this page, you can complete this assignment and finally you can upload the assignment. So to upload, you can click on this add or create, click on this file and you can browse the file. So once you have completed the assignment and you have browsed the assignment, you can click on this turn in to submit that assignment. So finally click on this turn in and your assignment will be submitted. So in this way you can join the class, you can complete the assignment and you can submit your assignment to the teachers. Now come back to the teacher classroom and we will see the submitted file. Go to the Google Classroom, click on the classroom and you have to click on your classroom that you have created. Click on the classwork and there you can see turned in notification. It means that the assignment is submitted by one student.